As investors look at the opportunity to make great returns and the hyperscalers rise to the challenge of creating this information in a proactive manner, we are having to ramp up at unbelievable scale the availability of capacity in data centers. So as we look at the major challenges that we have to confront in this race to scale, power availability, whether that's ideally off the grid, or whether that's an abridged solution as a temporary solution, but it's expensive, or as we look at alternative power solutions, which is where we all really want to end up, there is another challenge that they're all rising to, particularly the hyperscales. And that's around the utilization of the energy, the power utilization efficiencies, PUE. What I mean by that is how much of the power that we require for the facility can be actually used just for managing our IT. And if we can reduce that, the total power consumption comes down. However, as we add more capacity, the densification of racks and so forth, we actually need more power for cooling and maintaining the facility. And what you'll see with hyperscalers right now is them increasingly bringing down these PUE values, which at the same time reduces the cost of operation, at the same time reduces the pressure on the power demands, and meets many sustainability goals.